In this video, I will show you how to create a low poly forest. Press Shift A, create new mesh plane. Press S and scale it up. Then press Shift A and create new mesh cylinder. Press S Shift Z and scale down it in Y and X axis, not in Z axis. Now press SZ and scale it in Z axis. We will use the cylinder as the stem of our tree. Now create new mesh, Shift A, select any random 3D objects. For example, I select UV sphere. Press G, Z and move it in upward. Press S and scale it up. Make sure you are in the preview mode, material preview mode. And go to material tab, create new, change its base color to something like greenish. Next, select the stem of our tree, create new, change its color to something dark. Now we have one type of our tree. Copy our select our stem and leaves. Select these two 3D objects and press Ctrl plus J. Now we have a tree. We joined our both objects into one. Now press G plus Y and move it a little bit in Y axis. We will create our another type of tree. Press Shift A, create cylinder, press S Shift Z, press SZ. This time we will create some little big tree. Press Shift A, inside of mesh, select another 3D object. Move the object upward, press G, press Z and move it in upside. Press S and scale it up. Inside of material tab, create new, change its base color to something green, different from the first one. Select our secondary stem, go to material tab, create new, change its color to something brown. Select these two objects and press Ctrl plus J. Now we combined our both objects. Now we have two type of trees. Move it a little bit in Z axis by press G Z. Move it a little bit in Y axis by press G Y. We will create another type of tree. Press Shift A, inside of mesh, press cylinder, press F Shift Z, press SZ, press GZ, press Shift A, inside of mesh, select another 3D object. I will go with this one. Change it radius to a little bit and change its subdivisions to 2, 3. Change its subdivision to 2. Now press G, Z and move it in this. Press S and scale it up. Go to material mode. Select new. Change its color to something different, green. dark. Select its stem and change its color to something with little bit different brown. Now we have three type of trees. And select our two 3D objects and press Ctrl plus J. Now we combine these two as one object. Now select our plane, press S and scale it up, press Shift A. Inside of mesh, select this one, change its subdivision to 2, scale it, change its color to light green. Now select our plane, create new, change its base color to something like this. Go inside of particle tab, create new, select hair, inside of render as, change it to object and select the object to our new bush. Now we have full of bushes here. Press S and scale these things up. Press G, Z and move it out of from our view. Now we have this. Select the plane, go to change the number of particles, 120, like this. Now you can place these big trees where you want. Press Ctrl and copy. Now you copied this tree, press Ctrl and V. Now paste this tree. Press G and X. Now you can move your copied tree in X-axis. Do the same for all. Press Ctrl copy, Ctrl V, G, X or Y. Like this, Ctrl copy V, G, Y. You can place things randomly like this. Otherwise, you can select this inside of modifiers tab, create new add modifier, instead of generate, press array and change the factor X, change the count. Now you can place your trees in an order. Press G, X, something like this. Place our next tree. Select the tree, go to modifiers tab, create modifier, inside of generate, press array, change the count of trees, change the factor X, move in GX. If you want to duplicate this like this same order, not a random thing, just select this, press Ctrl C and copy this, press Ctrl V and paste this, press G and Y and move this. Select our big tree. Inside of modifier tabs, new modifier, generate arrays. Select it, expect a little bit large and change it count to 4. Control copy V G Y. We can make this something look like random. Press R, Z. Now rotate this like this. Plus G, Shift Z. So you can move this in X and Y axis but not in Z axis. Like this. Control copy V, G, Shift Z. So this will look like little random. Select our trees and press R, Z and rotate them a little bit and make them look like little bit random. R, Z, R, Z, R, Z, R, Z, R, Z, R, Z. Control copy V, G, Shift Z. Make its count a little bit small. Now we have a simple low poly forest scene. I think this randomness is okay for a low poly forest. This is a low poly forest. We can create within minutes. If you find this as useful, leave a like. If you want this type of videos in your future, subscribe to my channel. I will see you in a new useful video. Until that, I am Judson. Thank you for watching.